How do we see things? We see things because of light. Light bounces off objects and enters our eyes, allowing us to see them. It's harder to see at night as there's less light to bounce off objects. Let's make it a bit more complex. Light enters the eye through the cornea, the bit on the front of the eye. The pupil controls the amount of light entering the eye. If you look in the mirror on a sunny day, you'll notice your pupil is small, but it becomes bigger when there's less light, allowing more to enter the eye. As the eye is curved, it bends the light entering it in, so an upside-down image is created on the retina, which the brain very cleverly turns the right way up. Muscles around the lens allow it to slightly shape, allowing the eye to focus light on the retina. What are sources of light? The sun, light bulbs, and fire are sources of light. Facts about light. Light travels in straight lines. Light can pass through transparent, see-through materials, but not opaque materials. Shadows form because light cannot pass through the object casting the shadow. Light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth. Light can be natural or human-made. We can see the moon because it reflects light from the sun. Visible light is made up of lots of all the colors of the rainbow. A prism can be used to split white light into its constituent colors. Did you know there are different types of light? Gamma rays, microwaves, and the rest of the electromagnetic spectrum are all types of light. Rainbows form because water droplets split light into the colors of the rainbow. Who is Alhazen and what did he do? The first scientist of light physics in the world, inventor of the magnifying glass, the first measure of the speed of sound, the speed of light, and the circumference of the earth using the unit of measurement Zara, the first researcher of the properties of light, mathematician, and scientist in arithmetic, geometry, trigonometry, and algebra. The turning point. Alhazen educated in Baghdad. As a young man, he was given a government job in Basra, but soon became bored. One story has it that, on hearing about the problems resulting from the annual flooding of the Nile in Egypt, he wrote to Caliph al-Hakim offering to build a dam to regulate the deluge, and was received with honor in Cairo. However, when he traveled south of the city and saw the sheer size of the river, which is almost 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers, wide at Aswan, he realized the task was impossible with the technology then available. To avoid the caliph's retribution, he feigned insanity and remained under house arrest for 12 years. In that time, he did his most important work. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe.